What's up, everybody? This is Jason with Boat Wreck Play. Today I got the boat right behind me. I'm going to probably unwinterize it today, get some new fresh non-ethanol gas 93 in, and see what she does. Wake this baby up. Thank you guys who have subscribed, and thank you guys who have been supporting the channel. I know it's been a while since I've been on the channel, and I'm looking forward to getting this channel back up and running. Again, thank you guys who have subscribed, and thank you for your thumbs up. Today we're going to try to get this thing started and get it going. So thank you, and let's get this going. All right, so this is what we got going on today. We're going to unwinterize this thing. I don't know if you guys followed from the last time we had it, but we did a lot of upgrades this year. I finally got my dry exhaust back. Had a little accident when I was drilling out here, but we're going to be making a nice plate to cover all four of those. So I got some things to do. Got a little damage during transport, but she's gonna be up and running soon. Got new Bravo X drives on here. We saved the lower units. Probably something we'll upgrade next year. Got 32-inch props, brand new by Mercury. So just needs a nice little clean. We got a nice punch list we got to do, and hopefully we can make it to the Ozarks for Memorial Day weekend. So stay tuned. All right, so I'm here with Craig, my new partner in crime. So we just opened it up, and we're gonna get this thing all fired up. Everything I got powder coated last year, so everything looks good. It's got to clean out the gas. We're gonna put some power steering fluid in there, make sure all the fluids are topped, and we're gonna go from there. Exciting project, right, Craig?
Oh yeah.
There we go. All right, so we got the starboard motor running. Took a little bit to get it going. Off the sport motor.